Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a Doordash to Carplay. And it's really easy and simple to do that. And I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So first things first, what you're going to do is you want to simply connect your phone to Carplay via, Bluetooth or USB. And now this depends on whatever your car supports. And then you want to get started. So the Dasher app should automatically show up in the list of apps that is available on the CarPlay screen, and the integrated parts of the Dasher app will also display on the CarPlay screen accordingly. For example, a navigation. So if the Dasher app does not automatically show up on your CarPlay screen, what you want to do, guys, is you want to navigate to the list of apps and select the Dasher app to launch this experience manually. Okay. Now, what you want to do also is on your actual, a Dasher app, you want to switch to in-app navigation. So come here, click at the bottom, click on account, and then this will be the different options you get. You want to come here and click on preferences, and under navigation service, you want to make sure this is enabled, the in-app navigation with Google Maps or Apple Maps, whatever option you want to choose. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.